Magandang gabi, mga binibinit Ginoo at maligayang pagdating sa ating ika-74 na seremonya ng pagtatapos. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 74th graduation ceremony. At dahil po ang ating paaralan ay isang pangdaigdigang pamantasan, Sinsao School is an international university. Isasalin po natin ang kabuuan ng programa ngayong gabi sa wikang Ingles. We are to translate the entirety of tonight's program into the English language. At narito na po ang listahan ng mga nagsipagtapos. And here is the list of graduates. Casimiro Bucayo, Kashmir Bouquet, Eleuterio Ignacio, Electronics Ignition, Mariano Buhay, Marine Life, Leon Manggubat, Tiger Woods, Jaime Makatangay, Jim Carrey, Maria Makatangay, Mariah Carey, Gracita Pagbawalan, Grace Nono, Adelia Hagibis, Daily Express, Ligaya Patpatin, Joystick, Sixta Halili, Sex Change, Sixta Reventador, Sex Bomb, Restituto Protasio, Tutti Frutti.
Ay kainama naman, aring si Manang Yulay. Hindi ka kasabi ko lang sa iyaw. Yung anak ni Shirley, si Catherine. Buntes! Uy, santimaan. Dahil Irma, uy, sino man daw ang tatay? Eh di ang jowa niyang si Fred. Yung habal-habal driver. Uy, saba ka di haday. Confirmed na ba yan? Akaw, Manang Yulay, sinasabi ko sa iyaw. Nakikita ko ang dalawang ang nagtatagpaw. Duaon sa may parang. Hindi nangat na kabo, Sandali nga, day. Di ba barkada ng anak mong si Rose yang si Catherine? Baka naman day, mabalitaan na lang din namin na yung anak mong si Rose na ay alatiyak na may magagarute. At saka paano ka magkakaroon ng boyfriend aring aking anak? Panay ang kamot ng urot kadaming balakubak. Ang dry pa ng buhok, patawarin. Ay, kalooy po. Ay, ito day, perfecto sa anak mo day. Guard 2-in-1, shampoo and conditioner. Tingnan ako niyan. Effective ka aray. Yes, day. It effectively removes dandruff with ZO Plus formula. Tapos sabi mo, dry din ang hair niya. Perfect din to siya, day, kasi nga 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Hindi ka na mabili pa ng separate na sachet. O, diba? No dandruff na. Soft hair pa. Ay, for the endorser ang person. O siya, ako'y mauuna na. Ako hindi pa nakapagsaing. Lista mo na lang muna, aray. Mag-update na talaga ako ng Prince List, Lahat na lang utang, birirong.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, kuya.
Ma'am, nakita niyo yung fuck you? May gumalaw ata eh.
Yung alin, kuya?
Fuck you, ma'am.
Fuck you din.
Ay, ito pala, ma'am. Dito lang pala eh. Oh.
Hoy, be, kumusta? It's been a while. O, kumusta yung household na napag-asayanan sa'yo?
Eto, stress. Ang lilinis kasi nila doon, be. Teka, bakit parang ang fresh at ang lusog mo? Ay, be, sobrang welcoming ng napuntahan kong family. Isipin mo, tuwing kakain. Front seat ako. Kain na.
Mamaya na yung laro.
Mama, thank you very much. You know that I love chicken nuggets. Me too, Mama.
Taray, walang hugas-hugas hands. Go.
Bakit? Yung sa'yo ba?
Ay, sa wakas makakain.
I love this food,
Wow, sarap
Mama.
naman ito, Han.
Wash your hands muna.
Oh, of course, tara na.
Daddy, you know what I did to school earlier? I built a rocket ship.
Yeah, that sounds great. Ano pang kita?
Right, make it faster.
Tapos sa gabi, ay Diyos ko, kasama nila ako matulog. And they lived happily ever after.
Good night, Mama.
Good night, my darling. Mukhang di ka ata nakatulog ng maayos dun, Bea. Hindi nga eh. Paano for the half bath and punas ang mga first one before bedtime doon? Ganon pa man, success pa din ang mission ko. Dahil nakakuha ako ng sample ng secret weapon nila. Ang Hygienix Germis Hydal Soap. Ipe-present ko to kay boss. Patingin nga. Huwag kang pakaloko sa refreshing scent niyan, Veps. Because it kills 99.9% of bacteria like us. Ako yung maswerteng 0.01%. Moisturizing sa balat nila pero delikado sa atin. Yan ang tinatawag nilang germ killer. Skin lover. Ay, free of 10 unwanted chemicals din siya, be. Yes, and mas lalo siyang delikado kasi available siya in all leading supermarkets, drugstores, convenience stores, mga usuking tindahan, kahit Lazada and Shop. Huwag mong hawakan!
Very wrong!
Ayun, kasama ka sa 99.9% Veps. Kakasabi ko lang na delikado, parang di ka naman nag-read.
Hi, boss! May good news ako sa'yo.
Dito na po, ma'am.
Ay, hala, andyan ka na, kuya. Wait lang. Sa pintuan niya ako, wala akong bra. Nandito na, kuya. Hello, kuya. Saan ka po ba?
Parehas tayong manante, titing malagkit. Di ka umiiwas pag yung labi padampi na.
Mamarial po.
Buti nahanap mo ko, kuya.
For you, ma'am.
For us.
Parehas tayong manante, titing malagkit. Di ka umiiwas pag yung labi padampi na.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye! 5-star ka sa akin, kuya. Bigyan pa kita tip. Ay, Marian. May kiringking ka na naman, ha? Di porkit gwapo, for nabigay ka kaagad. Manang Yols, it's Grab's buwan ng tagapaghatid. Bilang pasasalamat sa ating mga kuya at ating rider, you can take the option order food for your driver. Also, on November 26th, lahat ng tips that you give to your driver will be doubled by Grab. Kaya samantalahin na this month para mag-rate, mag-tip, at magpasalamat. O siya, ganun ba? Akala ko kasi sa mga gwapo ka lang nagtitip ng mga driver. O, speaking of, ito na ata ang driver ko. Hello.
Parehas tayong manante, titing malagkit. Di ka umiiwas pag yung labi
Brad, kanina ka pa ba dyan?
na.
Kita mo na?
Alin ito?
Yeah, this one. Parang
Is it any good? You've been?
perfect.
It's good. I tried.
Oh, you've tried?
Yeah, I've told you guys about
Here, let's
it.
go. Friend, parang eto.
Alin?
Jan?
Yung nga, gusto ko i-try
Tawang mall dyan.
Ayun na naman.
Doon tayo.
Mahal. Alam mo, ikaw napaka mo.
Ayan o, sa 800 per head. Sana
Sige,
okay
sige,
ka
sige,
lang.
tara.
I wanna try their pasta. It looks good eh. Ali, what are you getting?
The grilled chicken pasta.
Yeah, it looks so good as well, no?
Right.
Sige, let's get that. Jan, how about you?
Ito na guys, so set C, good for 5, 1499 lang.
Anong laman nun?
Tigi 300 tayo.
Push Vebs. No one else is going to be the breadwinner apart from me.
Right.
So I knew that I had to take on the mantle.
And we are so proud of you. I mean,
Yeah,
not
yes, we
everyone
are.
do what it is that you do and me here.
Eh, wala naman ang ibang magiging breadwinner sa amin, kundi ako lang. So I decided to take on the mantle. Mantle! Got this on sale nga.
How much?
Maybe around 80k. That's not bad ah.
Guilty nga after pero that's a good deal.
Yeah, I'm sure you deserve it.
Babe, you deserve it.
Na, you worked hard naman this year.
I did.
Can I
Good
see?
job. Magkano?
Nakuha ko ng 5K.
Gogo, mahal.
Mahal
Tama, may
nun.
nakita akong dupe niyan sa Shopee.
Tingin nga.
Ganyan na ganyan. Send ko sa'yo yung link.
Ayun na naman si Jessa.
Parang bobo naman.
Ay, mabudo.
Ayan, oh.
Tingin. And I told him I was right.
Absolutely.
And it just felt like it's really time for me to leave.
Yeah, I think you saved yourself from that one.
Yeah, and I think you're so brave for doing that.
Ako pa i-post yung mga screenshots.
Ay, we.
Kasi diba, hindi mo sasabihin sa akin yun.
Ganyan!
On
No,
me.
no, no, here.
No,
I got this, I got this.
Mina. No, I insist.
Jan?
No, you get the next one na lang.
Sige, I'll get the next
Here you
one.
go, thank you. I missed you guys.
Ala, libre mo. Sana order pala tayo marami. Sayang.
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
Our love is on fire, we're on fire now. Our love is on fire, it's on fire, yeah. Our love is on fire, we're